All right, lesson 3. Now we have the Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet. The Vav, it kind of has a little bit of shape, but if you just do just a solid line, usually that is a good indication of the Vav. In fact, like the Hebrew keyboard on your iPhone, it's just going to show like a small line. And that has the V sound about half the time. Again, later on, it depends on the vowel associated with it, but for now, V for Vav. The Zayin, that is a Z sound. And so usually how I make this is a line, just like the Vav, but then kind of a sharp line, just like when you're making a Z. And I always cross my Z's. I learned to do that when I was in French class, just so it didn't get confused with 2. So I cross my 7s and my Z's. So again, it's kind of like a nice little cross of your Zayin. Your Het, it looks very similar to Hey, but there's no hole. And usually it looks just like it with a curve. Usually when I'm writing it, I just kind of do like a rectangle like that, but otherwise you can be proper and kind of do kind of like a curve and then down for the Het. And then for the Tet, that's a T sound. And I know that in Israeli newspapers, they spell Trump's name with a Tet, as opposed to the Tav, which we'll get into later. But what's cool is it kind of looks like a heart. Like, you know, we love Trump. So you kind of come down and then it's like kind of like a sloppy open heart for the Tet. So Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet.